Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding with Bharat channel. If you have watched the previous two videos, you would be knowing that I am discussing the different rounds that I faced during interviews, right? So before moving ahead, if you have liked the video so far, just hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So the third kind of round that I actually faced a lot in interviews, specifically with 4 to 5 years of experience, was system design round. So if you are a fresher or probably having 1 to 2 years of experience, this might be less important for you. But specifically if you have more than 1 year of experience, then these rounds are becoming very popular nowadays. So this round is generally conducted in one of the three ways. First being that you are given an abstract problem to design. So as an example, design Twitter, design Uber, design Dream 11, any company, any software that you can actually see in the real world system. In fact, in one of the companies, I was even asked to design something like ChatGPT from scratch. So, what you have to do in this case? You don't have to let your imagination run wild, but you actually have to discuss with the interviewer and come up with concrete set of requirements that you would take and work ahead in the interview with. Second way of conducting this interview, sometimes the interviewer directly says that you want to focus on one small portion of this website. So, as an example, just probably have the leaderboard for a Dream 11 kind of app, or just have probably notification service for Twitter. So, in this case, it is more defined. Like the scope of the problem has been reduced to small portion. So you have to abstract out everything else, like who is sending the notification, what are the notification types. Most of these things would be kind of agnostic to your system, but your system needs to be extendable enough so that it can incorporate all the different variations that are possible. Third kind of way in which this design round is conducted is based on your past experience. So let's say like I had been part of programming Pathshala. So probably things around designing a learning management system or a video streaming solution or probably a code judge, these kind of questions were very common when it was closely tied with my past experience. So what you can do, well, make sure whatever projects you are doing in your company or outside your company, you are well thorough about their system design overall. Cool. So how to prepare for this round? Although a lot of things here come with experience, but I would suggest is to actually know the basic components that are out there. How to select the database, choices between different SQL and NoSQL databases. What is replication? What is sharding? What are CDNs? How do we do horizontal versus vertical scaling, and when do we do which? Most important thing here, you need to be very sure of whatever suggestions you are giving while the interview is happening. So do discuss the pros and cons well, because there is no one right answer like it is there in DSA. Special shout out to a channel, Jordan Has No Life. So if you search this channel on YouTube, you'll actually find very good resources for doing system design. So yeah, that is about the system design round. Let's move on to the next one in the next video.